Hi there, welcome to Beauty by Teresa. I am going to do an eyeshadow tutorial today. So I'm wearing like a yellow, not the yellow that I wanted to, but this is the dress I wanted to wear today. So I'm gonna take this is the Pretty All Set by You Can Be, and I will link this, but I wanted to try a yellow today. So I'm gonna put this right here on this part of my lid, and then I'm gonna use a brown up in my crease, and then like a darker brown to black in my outer corners. I'm gonna go in with I might go in with a flat brush and just make sure that I can pack on some color here. So I'm tapping. Have I used my hands before? Because I'm going everywhere. Trying to do my makeup in a phone screen is kind of hard. Okay, so that's gonna be super fun. So I'm gonna set that palette aside, and now I'm going to go into my Saint eyeshadows. So I have lots of eyeshadows, but I'm gonna use Bubba up in the crease. Like, have I ever used a yellow eyeshadow? I probably have not. So I think it will be fun. So Bubba is like this, it's a very warm brown though. So if you have a cool tone skin, you might want to choose another color, like maybe bird. So I'm just blending. I even can wipe my brush off and just make sure that I'm not adding too much color and just blending out. Okay, so you saw how I just moved my hand to the back of my brush. Okay, I want to add some of that underneath the lower lash line. Apologies that I'm not looking in the camera. I am doing this in the screen. I guess I could use my mirror. So I just flipped this over. So this is the eyeshadow brush. Great brush. All of Saint brushes are awesome. Okay, so now I'm going to go into a darker color, which I actually need to go grab. Well, maybe I'll just use the black in this one. So I'm gonna use like a brownish black. So it's this one right here in the palette. I don't know what it's called, but I don't think I wanna go black. I don't think I wanna do that. So I'm gonna do like a more charcoal. So this is the smudge brush. So there's a flatter side, and then there's this pointier side. I'm gonna go with the pointy side. And now I'm just going to place in that corner. And this smudge brush will do very fast work of your look. I'm not even joking, it's so fast. Because you barely have to move the brush. What's funny is I cannot close my right eye by itself. My left eye also has to close. I don't know, it's so hilarious. Is anybody else like this? So I can see, well, so I'm just like blending it in towards that yellow. And then we're gonna go back into the eyeshadow brush and go back into Bubba. And blend this into that yellow. Could even take it in between that yellow and black. Which will help to blend them. I might add just a touch of the black charcoal right here. I'm gonna go back into that yellow. Whoa, not with the black finger. Okay, let's try another one. The thing about black is it does not want to blend very well. That's where the brown comes in. I think I might need to deepen that up just a teeny tiny bit. Probably enough left on this brush. Really shouldn't do tapping off my brush over a white road. I'm insane. Are you insane like me? Apparently I'm insane. Okay, so I think that that is it. I will go in, since I have hooded eyes, I do not use shimmer shades on my brow because it just highlights that how hooded my eyes are. So I'm using a matte brow bone color, and it's called Cupcake by Saint. And then this can help to blend in that Bubba. And then what I will do, I don't do eyeliner. It's so rare that I do eyeliner because I have hooded eyes. So there's no lid space when I open my eyes. So I don't do liner, but I do false eyelashes. So I'm gonna put on a couple coats of mascara, and then I will put some lashes on. I will come back and I will show you the final look. Here's the final look with the eyelashes on. I love, these are the Kiss, like the Caress. So I really love these, but I think it's a cute look. So something different to wear. I never wear yellow eyeshadow, so why the heck not? I will link everything for you down below. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time here, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.